In this video, I will show you how to bookmark a web page in Google Chrome. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is to enter the URL of the web page or just find your way to the web page. For me, I'm going to use the World Trade Center website for the purpose of this video. Now, while you're here, what you just want to do is come here on the search bar, click on this star icon here. Now, once you click on this, you're going to have a pop-up screen that says name. So this is the name of the website or the web page you want to bookmark. Then you choose a folder. I'm going to choose a folder. We have the bookmark bar. Bookmark bar here are for web pages that you want to quickly access. They are usually found beneath the search bar on your web browser. This is all bookmarks, where you have a list of other bookmark pages on your browser. Now I'm just going to choose this, for instance, and click done. Right, that's been added. Now if I come to a new tab here, now you can see that's been added. This is beneath my search bar. It says World Trade Center, so you can just quickly access it. Now if I had stored it in other bookmark, all I would have need to do is come here at the top right corner, click on all bookmarks, and I'll find it here amongst this other list that I have here. So that is it. It's that simple and straightforward. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share as well. Thank you.